Hey everyone, welcome back to BotBee. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create dynamic URL using variable in the message template in BotBee. First, go to BotBee dashboard. In left side menu, select Bot Manager under WhatsApp. Select the bot account, and then select message template. Click Create button. And then give a name for template. And then write the message body. For button, I'm going to select Call to Action for button. Text, I'm going to write website. In action value, I am going to write my website. Going to click on variables, and I'm going to choose link and click on save, and the message template is ready now. That our message template is ready now, we just need to sync the template and get WhatsApp's approval for the message template. So click on Sync Template, and as you can see, it's pending. WhatsApp didn't check yet, so let's click again, and it's approved. Great. Now let's go to the live chat, and in the live chat you can see a button called Send Flow or Message Template. So let's choose the message template that we just created, and let's try to send it, and see if it works. So select message template and click this one, and for link page I'm going to write pricing and submit. OK. As you can see, it's sent now. Let's check this in from our WhatsApp account. Yeah, the message is here, so now you can see how our URL works. If you click on it, will take you to your URL that you provided in the message template. And that's how dynamic URL works. So that's about it for today's video. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video.